welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make croffles. And just in case you guys didn't know what croffles are, they are croissants and waffles combined together to make a delicious dessert or breakfast. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started.
First, you need caramel sauce, Nutella, whipped cream, a banana, and cacao nibs. All of these ingredients are going to be used as toppings, so they are not necessary. And the last and most important ingredient is the Pillsbury croissant dough, which is going to be used to make the croffle. First, grab the dough and peel open the container and pop it open so the dough falls out onto the tray. Now I'm going to unroll the dough and rip it into those pieces. So yeah. Now we roll up all the little slices to these croissant shapes. Now we just need to pop the croffles into the waffle maker and ta-da! It's done. The waffle looks really crisp and yummy. So now I'm just getting the croffles onto a plate, and now I will add all of the toppings. Okay, now I'm going to start putting all the toppings, and as you can see, I am spreading Nutella all over the croffles. Right now I am working on the first one, and yeah. Now I'm putting more Nutella on the second croffle. And I'm even putting some Nutella in the little holes. Okay, now I am going to put on some whipped cream on top of all the Nutella. I think that would be really yummy. So this took me a little long to film because it was hard for me to squeeze out all of the whipped cream. So now I'm putting on some caramel sauce, and it unfortunately looks like the whipped cream is melting. So that is bad. So now I'm sprinkling some cacao nibs on top of the croffles. Now I have a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Doesn't that look yummy? I can't wait to try it. It's really sweet. If the whipped cream is melting, oh no. Yeah, I really like the caramel. I forgot the banana slices. Now I have the banana slices too. Thanks for watching. I'm going to finish this croffle and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!